Okay, this is homework 7.5, and it's question number 12 or 11, depending on which teacher you have. I realized I didn't have the assignments the same. So, anyways, we want to find out what's the area of this triangle shape here. Okay, and so the trick is we actually went over 3 units and down 2. All right, and so that'll give us the dimensions of the triangle, and then we can use it to find the area. So I'm actually going to sketch it out here on a piece of graph paper. So basically we went over 3 and down 2, and the slope was a 1. So if we kind of plot our absolute value graph, it looks like this. Sorry, that's some bad lines. Ugh, yuck. Okay, so draw it in there, and now we're just trying to figure out what is the area of this triangle inside of here. All right, and probably the easiest way is just to realize this is just a height of 2 and a base of 4. Sorry for the poor handwriting. Man, that's bad. Ugh, I have a poor writing device here. But basically, this is 4 units right here. Okay, and this height is 2. So the area is 4 times 2 divided by 2, and that will get you 4. And you can even see visually, right? There's 4 little squares here, right? So another way to think of this without even the formula is just you can count up the squares, right? There's 1 here, 2 here, and then this little half square could combine with this half square to make a third full square, and then this half square here could combine up here to make another full square, and that gives you 4 whole squares. So basically the area of this is 4 little squares. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.